this is so scary, honestly, guys. If you've never tried this before, I urge you just to give it a go once. Just come to a place like this and just walk around it on your own at night. The adrenaline rush you get from it is phenomenal. It really is. But at the same time, it is very, very scary. My heart is racing 10 to the dozen at the moment. Right, I think this is the way out here. Right, I don't know if you heard that then, but that fucking sounded like... Hello? This is absolute bullshit. There is no way I just fucking heard that. I'm sorry I'm swearing, guys, but I do swear when I get scared.
As he walks down a new corridor, the same eerie female chuckle resurfaces, seemingly in response to his musings about finding the way out. The unsettling laughter raises the question, is this a paranormal encounter, or just an overactive imagination? Suddenly, loud bangs and knocks reverberate through the hospital, seemingly coming from all directions. Doors swing open, and a mop crashes to the floor. It's clear he is not alone. Despite the pounding of his heart and his labored breathing, he bravely presses on. Would you continue, or make a beeline for the nearest exit?
What the hell is this? Oh, fucking hell.
While pondering the origin of the sounds, another chilling event unfolds out of nowhere.
I don't know what it was, I don't know. It sounded like a little... Oh, fuck! Oh, fuck! Fuck! Oh, fuck! What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? There's no way that has just happened. There is no way that is... Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. What the hell? What the hell? Right, you've just seen that with your own eyes. I have not touched that. There is nobody else here. What the fuck was that? How the hell did that happen?